Today's sixth problem, page number H7. Fire occurred in the premises of Ravi Limited on 15th October 2004. All stock was destroyed except to the extent of 8,000 rupees. From the following figures, ascertain the claim to be lodged with the insurance company. Stock on 1st January 2003, purchase during 2003, sales during 2003, stock on 31st December 2003, purchase during 2004 up to date of 5, sales during 2004 up to date of 5. It was the practice of the firm to value stock at cost less 10%. Early in 2004, prices were raised by 5%. Here also there is no rate of gross profit percentage. So you have to find the trading account and gross profit. So write trading account. Now to opening stock. Opening stock 2003 45,000 rupees. But for income tax purpose, they will write that stock less 10%. Suppose if they purchase the stock 100 rupees, they will write 90 rupees. Okay, like that they wrote 45,000 rupees. How much full value? So every time 45,000 into 100 by 90, you can get 50,000 rupees. So actually they purchased 50,000 rupees, but they wrote 45,000 rupees. So now we have to take actual price 50,000 rupees. Now to purchase 1,90,000 rupees. 1,90,000. By sales 2,50,000 rupees. By closing stock 36,000. So same here also 100 by 90, 40,000 rupees. Now to gross profit, balance amount, total 2,90,000 rupees. 2,90,000, but here 240, so 50,000 rupees profit, gross profit. Okay na? Now therefore percentage of gross profit equal gross profit by sales into 100. Gross profit value 50,000, sales value 2,50,000 into 100. 3 zeros cancel. 20%. Now you can write memorandum trading account. Memorandum trading account. Particular amount. To opening stock. This year closing stock, you can write here opening stock. To purchase, up to date of 5, purchase almost 1,60,000 rupees. 1,60,000. By sales, here sales 2,10,000 rupees. Now in this year they increased prices 5%. They wrote 5% increase that sales. Nothing but suppose if it is 100 rupees sales, they will write 105. Like that 2,10,000 they wrote. How much sales, actual sales? So 2,10,000 into 100 by 105. So you may get 2 lakhs rupees. Like that you show. If it increase, write like that. If it is decrease, write like that. 100 to 90. To gross profit. Out of 2 lakhs rupees, they have to earn 20%. We got 20% now. This 20% you can take. 40,000 rupees. Fund is total 2,40,000. Here also write 2,40,000 by closing stock. 2,40,000 minus 2,40,000 rupees. This is balancing amount. 40,000 rupees. Now that heading right. Amount to be claimed. Amount to be claimed from the insurance company. From the insurance company. Closing stock 40,000 rupees less stock salvaged. Stock salvaged 8,000 has given, see first paragraph. So 32,000 rupees. This is claimed to be lodged. Claim to be lodged with the insurance company. So like that you can finish this problem. Now I will explain. You try 7th problem. I will explain 8th problem. Okay, see, a fire broke out in the warehouse of Mercantile Traders Limited on 30th September 2003. The company desires to file a claim with the insurance company for the loss of stock and gives you the following information to enable you to prepare a statement showing the amount to be claimed. The last accounts of the company were prepared on 31st December 2002. Sundry debtors on 31st 12 2002 40,000. Sundry debtors on 30th 9 2003 30,000. Stock on 31st 12 2002 15,000. Cash used from debtors 1,44,000. Purchase from 1/1/2003 to 30th 9 2003 1,25,000. Rate of gross profit to cost of sales 25%. Okay, here there is no sales here. He has given debtors information. So from this information you have to prepare the debtors account and you can find the sales. In first year, in second sum, you learn single entry. In the single entry, you are preparing debtors account. Same way, here also you have to prepare the debtors account. Then you can prepare the memorandum trading account. So, he has given a rate of gross profit. Need not prepare the trading account. Just to get the duster. Eighth problem, debtors account. Debtors account, first write to balance brought down. Opening debtors you can write debit side. To balance brought down debtors amount of 40,000 rupees, opening debtors 40,000. Closing debtors right here, by balance carried down. Closing debtors 30,000 rupees. Now cash issued from debtors, that is you can write here by cash 1,44,000. So according to first year pro forma debtors account, here sometimes you can get bad debts, but in this problem there is no bad debts. By sales returns also you can write here, there is no sales returns. By discount allowed also you can write, but here there is no discount allowed. You can get the two credit sales, that is balancing figure, credit sales we get. For the total amount of 1,74,000. So here also 1,74,000. From 1,74,000, 40,000 deduct. 1,34,000. That is credit sales. Now you can apply the memorandum trading account. Opening stock. Memorandum trading account opening stock how much here? 15,000 rupees. Opening stock 15,000 has given. Purchase also has given 1,25,000. 1,25,000. Sales we got sales here 1,34,000. You can write here. For this purpose we prepared debtors account diagram. Gross profit 1,34,000 has given 25% cost of sales. Cost of sales yesterday told. Cost of sales non-cost dividend. Rate by 100 plus rate. 25 by 125 can take. Rate by 100 plus rate. Yesterday told this one. Rate by 100 plus rate, 25 by 125. How much this one? 25 by 125. Ah.
26,800.
26,000. Total. Total. See the bill. How much total?
1,66,800.
1,66,800. 1,66,800 minus 1,34,000. 32,800. Same way. Amount to be claimed from the insurance company. Closing stock 32,800. Stocks all, there is no stocks always. So same amount claimed to be lodged with the insurance company, same amount 32,800 rupees. So that is. So this is 8th problem finished. And one more important problem, 9th one. Okay, continue. See a 9th problem. Fire occurred in the premises of Amir Chand on 10th April 2004 and a considerable part of the stock was destroyed. The stock salvaged was 50,000 rupees. A fire insurance policy containing average clause was taken for 3,60,000 to cover the loss of stock by fire. You are required to ascertain the amount to be claimed from the insurance company. Purchase for the year 2003, 15 lakhs. Sales for the year 2003, 25 lakhs. Stock on 1st January 2003, 2,70,000. Stock on 31st December 2003, 4,84,000. Wages paid during the year 2003, 7,30,000. Purchase from 1st January 2004 to the date of file 6,60,000. Sales from 1st January 2004 to the date of file 10 lakhs. Wage paid during the 2004 to the date of file 1,50,000. Fire had broken on 25th December 2003 and had destroyed stock of the estimated cost of 90,000 rupees. There was practice in the concern to value stock at cost less 10%, but this practice was changed and stock on 31st December 2003 was valued at cost plus 10%. So it is very important problem. Ninth problem. There is no gross per percentage, so you have to prepare the trading account. Trading account. To opening stock. Opening stock. Stock on purchase 2003, 2,70,000. Here are in this sum problem also, cost less 10%. At that time, you can take 100 by 90. In previous sum I have explained. So 3 lakhs rupees. To purchase 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs purchase. By sales 25 lakhs. By sales 25 lakhs. To wages during the year. Wages 7,30,000 rupees. 7,30,000. So in 2003 also stock destroyed 50,000 rupees. 50 or 90,000 rupees. Stock destroyed of the estimated cost 90,000 rupees. So you can write here by stock destroyed. New point here. Stock destroyed. This is new point. 90,000 rupees. Every time you can write credit side by stock destroyed. By closing stock. This is the answer. Closing stock also as given. How much closing stock? 4,84,000. But at the end of the period, he increased cost plus 10%. Cost plus 10% nothing but 100 by 110. You can take 100 by 110. So then you can get 4,40,000 rupees. At the time of opening, he wrote cost less 10%. At that 100 by 90. At the end of the period, cost plus 10%. At that 100 by 110. So 4,40,000 rupees. Then gross profit. What is the answer? Gross profit answer. Notes is open. How much total?
lakhs.
26,30,000 total. Right? 26,30,000. Gross profit how much?
Gross profit 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs rupees. 5 lakhs gross profit. This is balance amount. Now percentage of gross profit equal gross profit by sales into 100. Gross profit of 5 lakhs, sales 25 lakhs into 100, 20%. Now this percentage you can apply in memorandum trading account.
టోటల్ ఉంది కదా 3,30,000 3,30,000
టోటల్ 3,30,000
50 lakhs sir 30,30,000
30,30,000 30,30,000 total 30,30,000 but gross profit 5 lakhs rupees. Now memorandum trading account. Opening stock this year, closing stock year, opening stock 4,40,000 rupees. Memorandum trading account. Purchase up to date of 5, purchase 6,60,000 rupees as given in textbook. 6,60,000 rupees. Sales up to the date of 5, 10 lakhs rupees. 10 lakhs rupees. Closing stock, we don't know closing stock, we have to find. Gross profit and wages also has given. Wages up to date of file, wages 1,50,000 rupees. 1,50,000. Now to gross profit on 10 lakhs rupees sales. On 10 lakhs rupees sales, we have to get the 20%. This is 20%. 2 lakhs rupees. Find the total. Total how much?
14,50,000
14,50,000. 14,50,000. Closing stock 4,50,000 rupees. Now amount to be claimed from the insurance company. Closing stock 4,50,000 rupees. Stock salvaged, first paragraph has given 50,000 rupees. Amount to be lodged with the insurance company 4 lakhs rupees. But see, one more point, new point is there. A fire insurance policy containing average clause was taken for 3,60,000 rupees. But stock listed value 4 lakhs rupees. But we have taken insurance policy for 3,60,000 rupees. For that purpose, according to one formula, we have to calculate the insurance claim amount. In page number H3, page number H3 and H2, see last H2, the insured amount based to the actual value of stock is value of stock destroyed into value of insurance policy by value of stock on the date of fire. According to that formula, you can get the answer. So, value of stock destroyed into value of insurance policy by closing stock. So according to this form you can apply. Value of stock destroyed here 4 lakhs. Value of insurance policy 3,60,000 by closing stock 4,50,000. From this simplify, you can get 3,20,000 is answer. That is the answer. So, if there is any insurance policy, you have to take like that. According to this formula, you can do the answer, you can get the answer. Same way, this is 9th sum, 10th sum also same, just the amount changed. Okay? you try 7th and 10th problems. Tomorrow I will explain remaining problems. Okay na?